Ever felt like your digestive system is on fire after a meal? Imagine enjoying a delicious pizza only to be met with an uncomfortable bloating feeling or perhaps a wave of nausea. It's as if a tiny riot has broken out in your stomach, turning your peaceful meal into a digestive nightmare. This discomfort is not due to overeating, nor is it because the pizza was too spicy. It's the result of a seemingly harmless protein lurking in your food. This protein, found in wheat, rye, and barley, can sometimes leave you feeling as though you've swallowed a balloon. You might experience bloating, discomfort, and a host of other unpleasant symptoms that can make mealtime a daunting task. This protein is not a problem for everyone, but for some, it can make eating feel like a battle against their own body. So, what is this troublesome element in our food? It's called gluten. Scene script: gluten. You've probably heard this term thrown around a lot, but what exactly is it? Let's dive right in. Gluten is a family of proteins found in grains like wheat, barley, and rye. Picture it as the glue that holds our bread and pastas together, giving them that satisfying, chewy texture. Sounds harmless, right? Well, for many it's a piece of cake, literally. But for others, it's more of a sticky situation. You see, when some people ingest gluten, their body perceives it as a threat and launches an immune response. This can cause a variety of unpleasant symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal pain. For those with celiac disease, a condition affecting about 1 in every 100 people worldwide, this immune response damages the small intestine over time. This can lead to serious health problems like malnutrition, osteoporosis, and even neurological conditions. Let's not forget about our friends with non-celiac gluten sensitivity. While they might not experience the same intestinal damage, they still have to deal with a roller coaster of symptoms after eating gluten, making their digestive system feel like it's hosting a battle royal. But here's the silver lining: there is a burgeoning world of gluten-free alternatives waiting to be explored. From breads and pastas to beers and desserts, living gluten-free doesn't mean giving up on your favorite foods. But don't despair, there are plenty of delicious gluten-free alternatives out there. Living gluten-free doesn't mean you have to miss out on your favorite foods. Embracing a gluten-free lifestyle can be a journey of discovery, where you get to explore a diverse world of flavors, textures, and ingredients you might never have considered before. It's like a culinary adventure where you are the intrepid explorer. Many foods are naturally gluten-free. Fruits, vegetables, meat, poultry, fish, seafood, dairy, beans, legumes, and nuts are all on the menu. So, you can see, the list is bountiful and varied, offering plenty of nutritious options. When it comes to our beloved staples like bread and pasta, fret not. There is a wide range of gluten-free alternatives available. From rice and corn to quinoa and buckwheat, these grains are not only gluten-free, but they also come with their own unique flavors and health benefits. And the baking world? Oh, it's far from off limits. Almond flour, coconut flour, and even banana flour are just a few of the many gluten-free flours out there. They can be used to make everything from fluffy pancakes to crusty bread and decadent brownies. Eating out or buying prepared foods can also be a breeze with a bit of savvy navigation. Many restaurants now offer gluten-free options, and supermarkets have dedicated gluten-free sections. So you see, a gluten-free lifestyle doesn't mean a life of deprivation. It's about making informed choices and finding what suits your palate and your body best. Choosing gluten-free isn't a life sentence of bland food. It's a doorway to digestive comfort and exciting new tastes. So, if your digestive system feels like it's on fire after meals, gluten could be the culprit. Today, we've delved into the world of gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. For some, it's just another part of their diet, but for others, it triggers an internal inferno. We've uncovered how gluten can cause discomfort in some people, leading to bloating, gas, and other unpleasant symptoms. We've also looked at the bright side of the coin, the world of gluten-free living. It's not a world of deprivation, but one full of alternatives and possibilities. So if you've been feeling like a human gas factory after meals, it might be worth exploring whether gluten is your foe. Experiment with gluten-free foods. There's a whole universe out there waiting for you. Remember, it's not about giving up what you love, but finding new things to love that love you back.